step down into the room. Open my eyes, let me see. Beauty that made is I know. Over the life of living. Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow. Here I am to say that you are good. Altogether worthy, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. I never knew how much it could to see my sin upon the cross. I never knew how much it could. Alright guys, so Maggie Guitar is back on another episode of lesson for today. Okay guys, so for this lesson I'm going to show you how to play advanced chord progression and how to play Here I Am to Worship by Hasten. Okay, I know many of you are familiar with the song, so for most of you that don't understand the chord progression, I don't know the right progression to play in that song, so I'm going to make some breakdown to you guys. Okay, but at first make sure your guitar is on the standard tuning. Okay, make sure your guitar is on the standard tuning. If you don't have a guitar tuner, make sure you get one so that you can tune your guitar on the standard tuning. Okay, and if you like the video, write in the comment section, nice video, awesome video. Okay, like and share. I really appreciate that, guys. Okay, so I'm going to do the lesson in the key of D. This is the key of D. This is the key of D. Okay, so the first chord is I play a sisters too. I make a video on how to hold your source chord, so you go and watch it. Okay, then the second chord is a is the A major chord, which is a saw chord. Okay, which is a saw chord. I play a full bar chord. I make a video on how to get your bar chords. Then the third chord there is I play E minor chord. That is your Re chord. E minor chord. That is your Re chord. Okay, I made a video on that. Okay, then the fourth chord there is the G major chord. That is your 4 chord, which is your Va. Okay, you can equally play that in all the keys in the guitar fretboard, all the keys you know, and you can equally play that on some simple triad chord you can understand. Okay, but at first I'd like you to work them on this advanced chord so that you can have a good playing as well. Okay, so the chord progression is a light of the world. You go to your saw, you step down, come to your Re, down into darkness, go to your 1 chord again. Okay, open my eyes, go to your saw, let me see, go to your Va. Okay, beauty that makes, repeat it again, is I adore you. You come to your 1 chord, oh, for the life, so chord that we spend. Okay, so the intervals is just the 1, the 5 to the 2 chord, which is the Re, the 1, the 5 to the 4 chord, which is the Va. Okay, then when you're going to the choruses, here I am to worship. Okay, you stay on the Va and start. Here I am to worship. Come do to do now. Okay, you stay on the Va and start. Here I am to worship. Okay, here I am to bow down. Here I am to. Now you play your 6th chord, which is the B minor chord. Your 6th chord, that is your La. Okay, you my God, go for to your 4 chord, a G major. So all together, all together, all together, wonderful to me. Okay, So for the bridge there, the ending part, I think most of you know they say, I never know how much it cost to see my sin upon the cross. I never know how much it cost. Okay, so the ending part there, that bridge there is I never come to your saw chord. Do I know? Go to your one chord. Do add much. Go to your va do to see. Okay, so in other words, when once she held I never, you are coming to your so do add much. Go to your va do to see so do upon the cross. Okay, and so on. So that is how the progression goes. So wherever you don't understand, hit it up in the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. Guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.